Camera.
Sorry, Ox. You need to have a big rest for your big trip. Good? Oh, Cardo.
That cloud up there, that's the one I'm worried about. So we can get around this corner without bloody getting wiped out. There's traffic everywhere. Hopefully this person behind us is bloody watching. No, not really. That last little bit, don't you? Yeah, it's very dewy. We're in the clouds. In the rainforest, baby. Camera! Yeah. Ah, oh, fuck. Smashed, I'd say. No, don't. There's a car coming. They're gonna smash it. No, yeah, hang on. Must have broken the ball. This whole ball broke off, Suze. That's fucked. It's alright. We've never been here. Look how pretty it is. Yep, go. It's beautiful. Look at the backdrop.
Well, little GoPro had a bit of a crash off the bike. And he lives to see another day.
Beans telling things are well. What facts belong, it's hard to say. Your pattern is so hard to tell. But we're together, that's our game. Round and round and round we go. The dance ain't over, I'm sure we're still the same. Love the ways you make us whole. Would you say if things ain't right?
Yeah, that's so pretty. Watch out for the corners, baby. Too busy watching the scenery.
Down the bottom in the hole, there's no sane ways, there's no explanations. I've got things I tend to moan. In these times, just please be patient. Be my shore, you be my home.
think we've got up here, Susie? Looks like Priscilla, Queen of the Desert.
Wow, he's having a rough ride.
Yeah, sure is. Welcome to Rathdowney.
Would you tell me, can't you say? Please just talk to me if things ain't fine. Look